If you want to merge audio in Audacity, whether that means lining up clips, joining parts on the same track, or mixing multiple tracks into one final file, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the whole process. Audacity makes it easy once you know where to click, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to combine audio like a pro. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple audio editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and bring in all the audio files you want to work with. To do that, go to File, then Import, then Audio. Browse your computer, select your files, and click Open. Audacity will load each file into your project so you can start arranging them. If your clips appear on separate tracks, that's completely normal. We're going to organize them step by step. Now choose the selection tool by pressing F1. This tool helps you click and drag clips into the right place. If your goal is to line up clips side by side, click on a clip and drag it horizontally until it sits where you want it. If you want the clips to play one after another, move the second clip so it starts exactly where the first clip ends. That creates a clean sequence without overlap. Take your time here, because getting the timing right is important before you merge anything. If you have two or more clips on the same track and they're already adjacent, you can join them into one continuous block. To do that, hold Shift and click each clip you want to join. You should see the clips selected together. Then right-click on the selected area and choose Join. This removes the split lines between the clips and turns them into one connected piece. This is especially useful when you want a single audio segment instead of several separate parts. Next, if you want to combine multiple tracks into one final track, Audacity has another powerful option. Press Ctrl and A to select everything in your project, then go to the top menu and click Tracks. Hover over Mix and then click Mix and Render. This tells Audacity to blend all the separate tracks together into one final stereo or mono track. This is the step you use when you've got vocals, background music, sound effects, or multiple recordings and want them all merged into a single output. Once everything is mixed the way you want, it's time for the final export. Go to File, then Export Audio. Choose your preferred format such as WAV for high quality or MP3 for a smaller file size. After selecting your format, click Export and save the file to your computer. Audacity will create your finished merged audio file, ready to upload, share, or use in your next project. And that's how to merge audio in Audacity the easy way. You've learned how to import files, align clips, join adjacent pieces on one track, mix multiple tracks into one, and export the final result. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.